Welcome to Reviewz Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best waffle makers to help you find the perfect match for your kitchen. Whether you're craving classic Belgian waffles, quick single-serve treats, or versatile appliances that go beyond just waffles, we've got you covered. From compact, easy-to-clean designs like the DASH Mini Maker to family-sized options like the KRUPS Belgian Waffle Maker, each of these picks offers something unique. We'll go over features like browning controls, non-stick plates, and easy storage solutions to make your mornings and any snack time a whole lot sweeter. Let's get into the top 5 waffle makers that are sure to satisfy your cravings. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Cuisinart Round Classic Waffle Maker. The Cuisinart WMR CAP2 Round Classic Waffle Maker is a sleek, stainless steel appliance that makes waffle baking easy and efficient. Equipped with a 5-setting browning control, it allows users to customize their waffles from light to deep golden brown. The waffle maker features non-stick plates and indicator lights, signaling when it's ready to bake and when waffles are done. A weighted lid keeps the maker steady, while rubber feet prevent countertop marking, making it stable and safe to use. Cleaning is simple with non-stick grids that only need a quick wipe after use. For easy storage, the cord wraps under the base, and the unit can stand upright, saving space on any countertop. This waffle maker is ideal for both classic and creative recipes, like pairing savory cheddar waffles with soup or topping chocolate waffles with ice cream for dessert. With its thoughtful design and BPA-free construction, the Cuisinart WMR CAP2 makes it easy to enjoy perfect waffles at any time. Number 2. KRUPS Stainless Steel Waffle Maker. The KRUPS GQ502 Belgian Waffle Maker makes baking up to 4 fluffy, Belgian-style waffles quick and easy. With 5 adjustable browning levels, it suits all tastes, from light to extra crispy. Red and green indicator lights, and an audible beep signal when the waffle maker is ready and when waffles are perfectly baked, removing any guesswork. The deep pockets in each waffle hold plenty of toppings, from syrup and jam to fresh fruit and cream cheese. This stainless steel waffle maker has removable, die-cast non-stick plates that are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. Its steam release system ensures waffles are light and fluffy inside while crispy outside. When not in use, the cord wrap and handle lock allow for compact, convenient storage. Ideal for any meal or snack, the KRUPS GQ502 combines style and functionality, making delicious Belgian waffles a breeze any time of day. Number 3. Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. The Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker is designed to make creating delicious, fluffy waffles simple and efficient. Its rotating feature ensures even cooking, while a browning control knob offers 9 levels of crispiness, letting everyone get their waffles just the way they like them. The cool touch handle makes flipping the waffle maker safe and easy, allowing for hassle-free use. This waffle maker's versatility goes beyond waffles. With 3 non-stick coating options, you can experiment with pancakes, hash browns, and more. The removable drip tray and non-slip feet make cleanup quick and safe, keeping your countertops clean and your waffle maker secure during use. Designed with both function and style in mind, the Bella Waffle Maker features a sleek black finish and a folding handle for easy storage. This compact appliance is perfect for family breakfasts or entertaining guests, and even makes a thoughtful gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Number 4. Holstein Housewares Personal Mini Waffle Maker. The Holstein Housewares Personal Mini Waffle Maker is a compact, convenient appliance perfect for whipping up quick, 4-inch waffles in minutes. Its non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning simple, allowing users to enjoy their waffles without the hassle of stuck batter. This mini waffle maker heats quickly, and an indicator light lets you know when it's ready, providing a reliable cooking temperature every time. Ideal for small spaces, its lightweight design fits easily in any kitchen, dorm room, or even a camper. Beyond waffles, this versatile appliance can make creative snacks like mini pizzas or paninis. The lavender finish adds a charming touch to any kitchen, making it not only practical but also a delightful decorative piece. This personal waffle maker is a fantastic gift idea for anyone in need of quick, easy treats, and its portability makes it easy to store or take on the go. With a 1-year warranty, Holstein Housewares offers peace of mind and simple instructions for worry-free use. Number 5. DASH Mini Maker for individual waffles. The DASH Mini Maker is a compact, versatile appliance perfect for creating single-serve waffles, hash browns, and even keto-friendly chaffles in under 3 minutes. Its 4-inch non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and effortless cleaning, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. This mini appliance is simple to use. Just plug it in, wait a moment for it to heat, and you're ready to cook. This mini maker isn't just for waffles. It's also great for creative recipes like waffled hash browns, cookies, and biscuit pizzas. Its small, sleek design takes up minimal counter space, making it a great addition to any kitchen and a perfect gift for weddings or housewarmings. Each DASH Mini Maker includes a recipe guide and free access to thousands of recipes, providing endless inspiration for delicious, quick meals. This mini powerhouse makes homemade treats fun and easy for both adults and kids. Thanks for tuning into Reviewz Heaven. We hope this review of the top 5 waffle makers helped you find your ideal match. Whether you're looking for quick snacks or classic breakfast waffles, these picks have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.